Okay, guys, we have 3 other questions to do for this lesson. I stopped the video too soon. So what we're going to do, let's just read the question first so we can figure out why these last 3 are different than the ones I already did in the other video. It says the weights of 4-year-old boys are normally distributed. There it is again, bell curve, with a mean of 38, a standard deviation of 4. I took them out. Which of the following weights could represent the 90th percentile? So what these questions are going to do is they're going to give you the percentile ranking, and you're going to have to figure out and go backwards and figure out what was the actual score. So, obviously this boy, if he's in the 90th percentile, he's going to be heavier than most boys. So we want to figure out what is his weight if we know the average and we know the standard deviation. All right, so there's a different button we're going to hit in the calculator for this. Here's the steps. So pause it, write them down. Menu 652. So we're still going in the same area, except we're going to hit number 3, which is inverse normal. This is going backwards. Okay, so let's do that for this question. And you always want to write down like this little bit of work so you show something that you're doing on the calculator. All right, so here we go. We're still going to get a clean calculator page. And we're going to go menu, 6, 5, and then I'm going to go to number 3, inverse norm. And now area. Area is the percentage, and it's area under that curve. So what is the percentage of data that goes there? And in this one we had 90%, so we put it in as a decimal, 0.9. The average was 38, and the standard deviation was 4. And there we go. So his weight was about 43.126. So let's go ahead and write that down. Oops. Okay, so 43.126, which is closest to choice 3, 43 pounds. Okay, so I just have 2 other ones to do with you like that. So a national math competition advances to the second round only the top 5%. Okay, so if it's the top 5%, right, top 5%, that's this right here. But this is the percentile ranking. So if that's the top 5%, then what percentile ranking starting here adding up are we? Isn't that the 95th percentile? So that's why we changed this to be 0.95. So that's a little bit tricky. The scores are normally distributed. Here's our mean. Here's our standard deviation. And then again, we want to find the score. So we're going backwards to the nearest whole number. So go ahead again, plug that into your calculator, menu 653, and we should wind up with 104.32. Nearest whole number, 104. Okay, so